A house-sized asteroid is flying right past Earth today. This isn't a scene from a Hollywood disaster movie. It's real, it's happening, and it's raising some serious questions. Asteroid 2025, KF, recently discovered by astronomers, is on a trajectory that brings it alarmingly close to our planet. How close? Close enough to fly between the Earth and the Moon. While scientists assure us there's no danger of impact, the event is a stark reminder of how vulnerable we are in the vastness of space. Asteroid 2025 KF measures around 30 to 50 feet in diameter, about the size of a two-story house. It belongs to the Apollo group of near-Earth asteroids whose orbits regularly cross Earth's path. What is even more striking is how recently it was detected, just days before its closest approach. This kind of last-minute discovery isn't rare for small asteroids, and that's precisely what makes them dangerous. They can go unnoticed until they're practically knocking on our front door. Let's talk about the distance. The Moon is about 384,000 kilometers from Earth. Asteroid 2025, KF, is passing by at only about 115,000 kilometers, less than a third of the Moon's distance. In cosmic terms, that's a close shave. NASA classifies anything passing within 7.5 million kilometers as a potentially hazardous object. So yes, 2025 KF earns that title. While it poses no threat this time, it sparks a fascinating and slightly unnerving question. What if it had been heading directly for us? To understand the danger, look no further than the 2013 Chelyabinsk incident in Russia. A meteor about the same size as 2025 KF entered Earth's atmosphere and exploded mid-air. The shockwave shattered windows across multiple cities and injured over 1,500 people. That object released energy equivalent to 30 Hiroshima bombs. Now imagine something similar, but over a major city. Thankfully, 2025 KF won't hit us, but it could have, and we wouldn't have had time to do anything about it. That brings us to another major concern: detection. Why did we almost miss it? Because objects like 2025 KF are small, dark, and reflect very little light. They're tough to see with optical telescopes, especially if they're approaching from the direction of the Sun. Most of our current asteroid detection systems are good, but not perfect. And in space, even a few days' warning isn't enough to mount a serious defense. There are over 30,000 known near-Earth asteroids, but scientists believe there are hundreds of thousands more we haven't discovered yet. NASA's DART mission recently demonstrated that we can deflect an asteroid, but only if we see it coming in time. The arrival of 2025 KF proves we still have blind spots. Space isn't silent. It's teeming with fast-moving rocks, and Earth is often in the line of fire. Can you see this asteroid? Possibly. Amateur astronomers in certain regions might catch a glimpse using high-powered binoculars or telescopes. It'll appear as a fast-moving dot in the night sky, briefly visible as it races past Earth. But you'll have to be quick. Blink, and you'll miss it. So, what's the takeaway? Asteroid 2025 KF isn't dangerous this time, but it's a wake-up call. A reminder that space doesn't follow our schedule. A reminder that we need better systems, faster alerts, and more serious funding for planetary defense. Because one small rock can change everything. What do you think? Should we be worried? Should governments invest more in asteroid tracking and defense? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because the next cosmic visitor might not be so polite.